Hello, students. I hope you all are safe at your home. So, here is our first chapter of social science geography part, which is chapter number first, the Earth in the solar system. So, before going to the Earth in the solar system, we need to know what is a solar system. So, a solar system, the head of the solar system is sun, and all 8 planets revolves around the sun. Okay, their path is fixed. Their path is fixed. Look at the image here. Here the path of Uranus. This is the path of Uranus. This is the path of Saturn. This is the path of Jupiter. Okay, like this they have their own fixed path, okay, in which they revolves around the sun. So now soon you would see the number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Here we are talking about the stars that are in the sky. They are uncountable. Okay, we cannot count the stars as there are many of them, so they have their own light. Okay, that is why they all appears to be twinkling like diamonds. Okay, they shines in the sky. Now along with these bright objects, first of all you need to know that the moon only once in a month, only once in a month, there are two important nights. First one is full moon nights. In Hindi we can say it as Purnima. Okay, and another is new moon light, which is known as Amavasya. So you can also discuss that with your mother or father. Okay, now else than that there is a sun, the moon and the stars in the sky. So together all these objects are called celestial bodies. Okay, so the moon, the sun and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Now some celestial bodies are very big and hot. Okay, they are very big and hot also. They are made up of gases. Okay, they have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount, means the light get scattered from those bodies, those celestial bodies which are called stars. Yes students, stars are very big in size and they have light and gases in it. Okay, but they are very far away from us. That is why the stars look very small to us in the sky. Okay, now there countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun. They are similar to the sun. And remember bacho that sun is also a star. Okay, but it is very large than stars. So and it has own light. Okay, and sun is made up of very hot gases. That is why when it is a sunny day we feel much heat than the days in winter season. Okay, now look at the image here. In this image the path of all 8 objects are given. Okay, this path is the revolution part of all these objects. Okay, here description of these objects is given that the Mercury, one orbit around sun, it takes 88 days to complete its revolution. Okay, so similar to this Mercury, Earth take 365 days and 6 hours, 365 days and 6 hours to complete one rotation. That is why look this 6, that is why in every 4 years we have a fab of 29 days. Okay, so in every 4 years this 6 hours together will become 24 hours. It means that one day increases. Okay, that is why after every 3 years or every fourth year we have a fab of 29 days. Okay, now let's talk about the sun. Then so but your sun is the center of the solar system. Okay, look, solar, the word meaning of solar is related to sun. Okay, so solar system is nothing without the sun. So sun is the center of the solar system. Okay, look, here is the sun. This is suppose this is a sun. Okay, so it is in center part and all the planets revolves around this sun. Okay, like this is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Pluto. Okay, so these are our planets. So what are the planets now? What is the distance of sun from the earth? Is the sun is about, look at here, the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Sun is 150 million kilometer away from the sun. Okay, we can know that this by, look, the speed of light can travel 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Okay, so in every second lights can cover the distance of 3 lakh kilometers. Okay, so and then also light is having this much speed, then also it takes 500 seconds to reach the light from the sun to the earth. Okay, so the distance of sun and earth gets covered in 500 seconds. Okay, now what are the planets? So we can remember the planets by this short trick, like my very efficient mother just serve us nuts. Okay, so here the M word denotes Mercury, V Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are our 8 planets. Okay, earlier we have 9 planets in our solar system up to August 2006. Okay, in August 2006, a meeting was held of International Astronomical Units. So, International Astronomical Unit, now who are the astronomers? So, those who studied about the celestial bodies. Those who studies about the celestial bodies, they are called astronauts. So all the astronauts of different countries makes a union, and that union is known as International Astronomical Union, and they decide that Pluto was very small. Pluto was very small planet. Okay, so they have just cancel out that it is a planet. Okay, so now recently we have 8 planets in our solar system. Now Earth. So Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Look at the image here. First one is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Second is Venus and third is Earth. Okay, so now Earth has a shape of geoid, and geoid to itself means resembling the shape or form of the earth. Okay, so this word is derived, geoid is derived from the Latin word. Okay, it is a Latin word which means that it is a shape of earth. Okay, now conditions favorable to support life are probably found on earth. Bachcho, there are 8 planets in our solar system, and can you imagine, in these 8 planets the life exists only on earth. Okay, the life exists only on earth because earth has water, because living things need water to drink. Earth have air because we need air to breathe. Okay, so together all these favorable conditions are life supporting conditions. That is why the possibility of life is only on earth. Okay, and if we see earth from sky or from universe, it is a blue ball. It is just like a blue ball. Okay, that is why scientists names the earth as blue planet, because 71% of earth is covered with water. 71% of earth is covered with water. Now we talk about moon. So what is a moon? Moon is the satellite of the earth. Look, our earth has only one satellite, and that is moon. Okay, and the size of the moon is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of earth means if we have to cover earth by moon, we need 4 moons. Okay, so the size of the earth is 1 by 4 of the moon, and it is 3 lakh 84 kilometer 4 3 lakh 84,400 kilometers away from us. Okay, now every celestial objects in the sky, in the universe, is not stable. They are just moving here and there. Okay, so they are just revolving around some bodies, they are rotating on its own axis, like our earth rotates on its own axis in 24 hours. Okay, and earth revolves around the sun. Look, earth rotates on its own axis and revolves around the sun. So these are two important words: revolution, revolution and rotation. Rotation. So earth take 24 hours to complete a rotation and 365 days 6 hours to complete one revolution. Okay, so don't get confused about rotation and revolution. Now there are asteroids and meteorites also in our universe. Now what are asteroids? So apart from the stars, planets and satellites, okay, these three we have discussed: what are stars, what are planets, what are satellites. There are numerous tiny bodies, small bodies, which also move around the sun. These bodies also move around the sun. I have told you previously that every celestial bodies are not stable in the universe. They are continuously moving here and there. Okay, so these small bodies which are rotating around the sun, these bodies are called asteroids. They are stone like. Okay, like we have stones here and there, so they are also just stone likes. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Okay, they are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So look at the image here. This is Mars and this is Jupiter. This is the asteroid belt. Here you can see it clearly. This is given that this is asteroid belt. These are the small dots like structure here. Okay, so they are asteroid which are present between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, they are also rotating around the sun. So don't get confused here. Now what are meteoroids? So the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Okay, these are little bit bigger than the asteroids. These are bigger than the asteroids. Sometimes these meteorites comes near the earth and tend to drop upon it. Sometimes it happens that look, this is the earth. They are also continuously moving. These you have seen in many movies that whenever they go to the universe, they just got to be struck by the stone like structures. They are coming towards the earth. So sometimes it happens that they comes towards the earth at very fast speed. Okay, but during this process, due to the friction with the air, they gets heated up and burn. Because our earth is closest to the sun, is the third planet closest to the sun, so there is a heat. Okay, it causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and create a hollow. Okay, sometimes it has happened earlier that look, the when meteorites comes to our earth, okay, like this is the meteorite and this is our earth which is rotating in its own axis. Okay, so this is our earth. Now it is coming towards the earth. So up to here it comes, it gets burnt and gets scattered in small pieces. Okay, it gets burnt and gets scattered in small pieces, and one of the piece get struck to the earth. It gets struck to the earth. So when it's struck to the earth, it creates a hollow structure. Okay, that's why we just feel the earthquake. or the disaster, any of the disaster can happen by that. Okay, so now do you see a whitish broad band like white glowing path across the sky? There is a path, look here, this is a white path, it looks like a road on the galaxy. Okay, and it is purely white. So scientists have named it as Milky Way galaxy. Milk means white, Milky Way means white path, okay, in the galaxy, so its name is Milky Way galaxy. Okay, and in Hindi it can be said as Akash Ganga, because it the path looks like a river, and we have a river Ganga, so it is in the sky, and sky is Akash in Hindi. So by that we can name that Milky Way as Akash Ganga. Now a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars. There are billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Okay, the clouds that we see, it is made up of dust and several gases together. Okay, there are million of such galaxies that makes the universe. Look, in a Milky Way galaxy, in a Milky Way galaxy, we have eight solar system. We have a solar system. Okay, many of the stars, a moon, a earth. मतलब eight means eight planets. Okay, and there are several galaxies in the universe. So imagine the universe, how big is it? Okay, now a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Okay, so we can't even imagine how big the universe is, because the objects we are seeing, stars, moon, sun, okay, they all are in just one galaxy, and there are millions of such galaxies. Okay, so and you and I belongs to this universe. Okay, we are the part of this universe. Okay, so in this, now this chapter is over. Here is the exercise part, in which what you have to do, you have to write the question answers, you have to take the correct answers here, and this fill in the blanks part also. So uh, you have to complete the exercise part. Okay, in question answers you have to write it in your own language, in your own way. Okay, if you don't understand the question, then you can take the help from me, but you have to write it in your own way. Okay, so here is one assignment that I am giving to you, that you have to make this image in a chart paper if you have, but it's a lockdown time, so you can draw this in your copy with neat and clean. Okay, you have to draw a neat and clean diagram of this image. Okay, thank you.